guys, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. Today we're learning how to reset your domain.com account's password. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll receive instant notification as soon as we post a new video. Start by clicking open any web browser you have and type in domain.com. Hit the enter on your keyboard and soon you'll be taken to its official website. In order to log in, click on the login button located at the upper right corner of the screen. Enter your credential. Start by entering your username, and on the password text field, click on Forgot Password link since we don't know what the password is. What you need to do is now go and request a reset email. Enter the username or domain associated with your account right here in the text field. If you don't remember the username or domain, then click on Don't Remember Either and follow the instructions. After you do that, click on Send Email Link and an email will be sent to your email address you just entered, containing a link to reset the account's password. Clicking on the reset link will take you to a next page where you can create a new password for your account. Simply type in the password. Use strong passwords for your account in order to keep your account secure, and you'll be able to reset your password for your domain.com account easily. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll surely be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.